Good morning, guys. We just woke up. We have Francis with us. And Raymond is cooking something looks delicious. What are you making?
Yeah, we call it putumaya.
Putamaya.
Yeah.
And this involves 3 coconuts.
Pasensya na in Philippines. Don't take buko juice without taking a breakfast.
Ah, so superstition in the Philippines is don't drink buko juice before the breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay. What happens if you do?
Vomit.
You might vomit?
Sick.
Oh.
Francis said sick.
Oh, you get sick. Okay. Has it happened to you before? All right. Have you ever hit your hand using that?
No.
No.
Always careful. No
Always
hands at the
careful.
store.
Why are you careful, Raymond?
No hands at the store.
Oh, the dogs are running away. Mama has a hard job.
Brilliant mind.
Here's my morning drink.
Oh, look, mother. Mother, look.
No? Mother says no. All right. I'll say early morning, no coconut juice in the morning.
Yeah.
All right.
I told you.
I didn't know she was there. Mother's always watching. All right, I'll save this for later.
Yeah.
Raymond, can I have a kiss? Raymond. Oh, your butt. First time using the brand new table.
Yeah.
This is awesome. Table slash bench slash maybe my sleeping bed later. I think we're gonna make a roof later. Raymond, you're attracting many friends.
Oh. Go out. Wash hands first.
Oh, good idea. You're like a doctor.
Oh, sticky rice.
Sticky rice? All right. What makes this different than regular rice?
Sticky.
It's sticky? Oh, that's thanks.
Why.
That's why.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
9 and 3/4?
9 and 3/4.
9 and 3/4?
1.
So it's the same as the rice?
Yeah.
All right.
Wash again.
You can never wash your hands too many times. Especially when you got them inside my food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Until 3 days.
All right, I'll come back in 3 days.
Oh. And
Ant, where?
Yeah.
I don't see.
my ear.
In your ear.
Uy.
I didn't see it.
Fly.
You fly. They do have flying ants though, you know? Have you seen those before?
Magic.
Magic ants.
Baboy.
Oh. Hapon. Sugar.
Sugar, Raymond's favorite part.
And mix.
Mix.
1 hour
All right.
and 1 month.
In 1 month. You're gonna mix that well.
Okay. Tell me what face you want.
Let's do happy face, morning face, sad face, when you're thinking about Megan. Next is ginger. It's 2 kilos of sticky rice.
Yeah.
And we rinse that through water twice. So
Yeah.
you do it the first time, then you do it again just to get it nice and clean. It looks like a hammerhead shark.
Oh.
Raymond likes to sing songs while he cooks, right?
Yeah. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
I think that's your favorite song.
Oh, another song.
You sing that every day.
You want another song?
How many times a day do you sing that song?
One song.
One song. He's
No song.
a one song man.
Cinco niya. My balak is one balak.
I have a song for my future wife.
Okay, let's hear that.
Can I touch you? I can't believe that you are real. How did I ever find you? You are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that's born inside. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy,
singing?
but it's true.
Makes your food taste better.
I'm shy now.
Oh, you're shy now. Who's your favorite female ginger? I like Amy Adams.
Oh,
Do you know Amy Adams?
no.
Who's your favorite male ginger? How about Prince Williams?
Maybe assignment, please.
Assignment, please. Alright. Isn't there a ginger spice on the Spice Girls? Yeah, you know the Spice Girls? If you want to be my lover, you have got to give. Friendship lasts forever. Friendship never ends. I don't know how the song goes. Do you know how to sing it?
The three Spice Girls?
Yeah, Spice Girls. You know Spice Girls? Yeah. Ooh, boiling.
Make sure mix with white sugar.
Alright, we're adding the ginger.
Orang sana kau orang di kamu lisod-lisod.
Wow.
Stop.
Stop.
Next.
Want to try?
Oh, he wants to be in
That's
the
why he
video.
says stop.
He wants to be in the video.
5 minutes on Monday.
40.
40 minutes? We'll let that cook for 35 to 40 minutes. Alright, we got the water boiling over here.
Tablia.
Tablia.
Yeah.
And what is that exactly?
Cacao.
From cacao. Alright. And cacao is like a fruit?
Yeah.
So that's crushed cacao seeds?
Yeah.
And then they cram it together?
Machine. Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And brown sugar? Mm. I think that's why you have no hair in your arms.
Oh.
Look, no hair in his arms because he's cooking all the time.
How about you?
Yeah, I don't cook. Ow! We'll let that cook. We'll come back later.
Para sa. Oh, iya ra. Pungawa sa. Iya ra totoo.
Thank you to the people that has been donating. This helps a lot with the food, the cost of food and everything. And we always cook a lot more than what we need, and it's for all the neighborhood people around. So those donations really help a lot. We really, really appreciate it. Nice.
Thank you for sharing your kindness.
That's your plates, and that's Raymond's plate.
Ma, di lisod.
Yeah. 10 peso.
10 peso.
Yeah.
No need for plates.
No need for plates.
Thank you.
For you.
Oh, that smells like hot cocoa.
Tablia.
It's like chocolate.
Tablia.
Tabia.
Tablia.
Tablia.
Franz.
You guys hungry?
Breakfast for today.
All right, cheers. Oh, first this? Mm. That's like hot cocoa.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's really good.
Is that your first time here?
I don't know if I had this before. I think I might have had it in Cebu, but I never made it from scratch like this before.
Easy to cook, right?
Mmm. Mm. That's really hot. That's really good.
Happy eating.
Happy eating, guys. If you want to make this at home,
Yeah.
it's not too bad. It's fairly easy, as long as you have all the ingredients. And all right, hope you guys enjoyed this movie, or
God bless.
hopefully you enjoyed this video. You guys take care. We're gonna enjoy eating this. And thanks again for the donations. It really does mean a lot.
Hopefully it can help.
The what? Hopefully what?
It can help.
Oh yeah. Hopefully this can help you cook it at home by watching this. And you guys take care. God bless. We're gonna go enjoy this.
No, this is for Richie.
Okay. That's for Richie.
Richie! Come here!